So whether you're a business analyst, an entrepreneur, or just curious about strategic planning, SWOT analysis is one of the most powerful tools you can use, right? So in this video, I'll teach you exactly how to conduct SWOT analysis step by step using a real life example to help you understand how to apply it in any business, really. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Pippa and I'm a business analyst with over a decade of experience in the field. I help aspiring new and transitioning business analysts to build the skills, confidence, and strategies that they need to succeed in their career. On this channel, I share practical BA techniques, career advice, and real-world case studies to help you navigate the business analysis world like a pro. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let's dive into today's topic. If you want hands-on experience conducting real business analysis, check out my business analysis bootcamp, where I'll be teaching strategy and business modeling with real-world case studies and project simulations. Link in description. Okay, so what is a SWOT analysis? A SWOT analysis is a structured method for assessing a business or project's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, right? Looking at the strengths, these are internal, right? What does the business do well? The weaknesses are also internal, looks at what are the challenges that the business is experiencing. And then the opportunities and threats are external impacts. What market trends or factors can help the business grow, and what external risks could harm the business? It's used in strategic decision making to help business understand where they stand and what actions they should take next, right? So step one is to identify the strengths of the business. Let's say we're analyzing Starbucks, for instance. What are some of its strengths, right? They have strong brand recognition, right? Customers recognize Starbucks worldwide. Everybody knows Starbucks. They have a loyal customer base, meaning that their rewards program keeps people coming back. They also have high quality coffee and innovation by creating seasonal drinks like the pumpkin spice latte, which creates buzz with their customers. So these strengths are internal advantages that give the company a competitive edge, right? Looking at step two of SWOT is to then identify the weaknesses, right? What internal challenges does Starbucks face? One could be high product prices. They are generally more expensive than their competitors. There's also dependency on coffee beans. There could be price fluctuations that impact their profits. And a third weakness could be slow service during peak hours. Long wait times. It could hurt customer experience, right? So weaknesses are areas where the business struggle and may need improvement. Now, I'm not saying that these are real of Starbucks, but this is just me doing a SWOT analysis, hypothetical, but using Starbucks to help you understand really how SWOT analysis works. So I don't want Starbucks to come and chase me for anything. But anyway, going on to step three, which is identifying the opportunities. Opportunities come from external factors, things happening in the market that the business can take advantage of, such as expanding into emerging markets. By creating more stores in Africa, in Asia, they're expanding. Another one is the growing demand for sustainable products. You can see everybody's looking towards sustainable products. So Starbucks can focus on eco-friendly packaging, which I think they already do by providing those cups that you can reuse. And then a fourth one could be technology and mobile ordering. More customers are using apps for convenience, right? So by spotting opportunities early, a business can stay ahead of its competitors. Moving on to step four, which is identifying the threats. These are external risks that could harm the business, right? Example could be economic downturns. The customers might cut back on expensive coffee. Another threat could be competition from small coffee shops and chains, meaning that there's more alternatives available to customers. And another threat could be health trends and shifting customer behavior, because more people are switching to tea or more healthy drinks. So identifying threats helps businesses to prepare for risks and then create backup strategies. Okay, so let's look at the real world application of how SWOT helps businesses. Right now that we've completed Starbucks SWOT analysis, how can the company use this information? An example strategy could be to leverage the strengths, right? The strengths that we've identified by promoting strong brands in new markets. And then they can also fix the weaknesses by working on reducing peak time wait times for the customers. They can take advantage of the opportunities that we've identified by focusing more on mobile ordering and sustainability. And finally, they can minimize the threats by diversifying their menu options to keep up with health trends, right? So this is how businesses use SWOT analysis to make strategic decisions. And that's how you conduct a SWOT analysis like a pro. If you want to practice SWOT analysis in real business case studies, check out my Business Analysis membership platform. So let me know in the comments section below, what's the most interesting SWOT analysis that you've done or seen? Let's chat below. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. You never know who it might help. Till I see you in my next one. Peace.